L'exposició Reinterpretant les puntes, obra de Tarmo Torstom, ha arribat a Arenys de Mar. Una exposició singular que convida a redescobrir la tradició de les puntes de coixí des d'una òptica contemporània. Una mostra dedicada a aquest artista i mestre artesà finlandès que ha sabut renovar l'art de la punta de coixí amb un llenguatge propi, atrevit i profundament evocador.
In my exhibition, there's a collection of works from this 20-year span of Bobbin Lay's life, let's say. So there are the very first works, the tablecloths, but also the first works when I started creating my own style and patterns without the ready-made designs. And until the very end, there's also laser-cutted wood, and then there's pair of earrings, and dresses, portraits, all sorts of stuff that you can think about.
Tarmo Torstom s'ha caracteritzat sempre per una mirada fresca cap als oficis tradicionals, reinterpretant-ne les tècniques amb respecte però sense por. A través de les seves peces, desmunta la idea que la punta és només decoració per vestir la llar o el cos. La converteix en un mitjà expressiu, un suport per al discurs artístic on tot té el seu perquè, des del concepte al resultat final, passant per l'elecció dels materials que utilitza per crear cada obra.
I usually work mostly with linen. Natural fibers are the best, but then sometimes the case is that thread is not the best. Then I can use wood, paint, light, or electric wires. It can be anything. Even once I've made a decoration of candy thread and put it on top of a birthday cake, and then we ate the lace because it was made of candy.
Amb Reinterpretant les puntes no només es vol retre homenatge a una tècnica centenària, sinó que obre una finestra cap al futur d'aquest art, demostrant que la tradició no està renyida amb la innovació.
Bobbin lace making is a really good technique for making contemporary art. Embroidery, weaving, crochet and such, they've been mediums for contemporary art for some time. I mean, embroidery has been for centuries, weaving has been for centuries. Bobbin lace making is still very young in this art field, but I hope that in few decades people will think it is normal. It's just one technique among others to create art.
Des d'un autorretrat en 3 dimensions que creix en forma d'arrels que alimenten i al mateix temps no el deixen sortir corrents, a patrons que neixen de fotografies on la densitat de la punta dona forma a la imatge, passant per jocs de llums i ombres, tatuatges al braç que ens transporten a la seva vila marinera o a patrons de principis del 1700 que, ampliats, serveixen per crear nous punts de vista. Amb la seva obra, Torstom ens recorda que hi ha bellesa en allò minuciós, sentit en allò efímer i força expressiva en un simple fil entrellaçat.
In bobbin lace making, and it doesn't matter if it's like for art or as a craft, that's not important which kind of a product is coming, but the process in itself that's the thing that drives me. Quite often, actually, I'm not interested of the end process product. It's about how to make it and what to find during the making process. And after the thing is ready, then I don't know what to do with the object itself, because then I just want to start creating again something new. Sometimes people, when they look at me working with my especially big works, that they ask that is this bobbin lace at all? For example, here in Catalonia, people work with a different shape of tools, but it's not about the shape of the tools, it's about what happens with the threads. And there's what unites all techniques of lace making, bobbin lace making, is that how the threads behave. Their posture of hands, whether it's like palms up, palms down, and is it vertical, is it horizontal, that's not important. It's about how the threads behave. And I hope that people would take a new look to the how I work and how my works are done, so that they would understand that the essence is the threads, not the tools.
Amb la seva obra, a més, ens convida a divertir-nos en el procés creatiu, a no tenir por a jugar, crear i inventar.
People are quite often afraid that they will do mistakes. But even though there are some basic rules in bobbin lace making, none of them came from heaven. They are invented by people like you and me and everyone else. So it means that everyone can also take a sidestep from those rules and invent their own. So I would encourage people to try different things, whether they think it will work or not. It's about the expedition, like an adventure, to find out what works and what does not. I hope people would try different things and be adventurous with lace.
Reinterpretant les puntes, obra de Tarmo Torstom, es podrà veure fins al 27 d'abril a la sala d'exposicions del Centre Cultural Calissai d'Arenys de Mar.